Hi, I'm your host, Mickey Mouse, and this is Animal Idol, where animals across the world come and sing their heads off, literally. Now I'll show you your judges. We have a fat gorilla version of Randy.
Hi.
Paula. Smack that baby. And Simon. You suck. Everyone sucks. Ah! Now for our first contestant. Molested bear.
Hi, I'm a molested bear that gets molested a lot.
Now ask the judges how you will do.
I think you'll do good.
Yeah, that's right. Oh yeah.
He sucks. Again. Wait, he never got. Oh, never mind.
Now for molested bear.
I'm from California, and today I'm gonna be singing "Piece of Me" by Britney Spears. You want? So I'm Mrs. Extra Extra. Oh my God, I'm being molested. You want a piece of me? Ah! Oh my God! Boop 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 boop.
We're back in Animal Idol. Sorry for the roughness. Molested bear died in the commercial. Yeah. Now we'll go to our next thing, our surprise. We'll ask the judges how surprise will do.
I think surprise will do awesome.
I don't know. I don't know anything. I never went to school.
Same as last time. He will suck.
Do 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 do.
It's Dracula with glasses. Yeah, I'm Dracula, and today I'm gonna be singing "Nothing to Lose" by Billy Talent. Need more friends with wings. Oh my God, it's molested bear! Oh my God! Oh, they're trying to kill me! Oh my God!